Divorce and hidden assets. How forensic accounting helps you win what you're entitled to. Where did all the money go? Imagine this. You're going through a divorce, and suddenly the numbers stop making sense. The reported income looks smaller, the business seems to be barely hanging on, and yet the lifestyle you shared tells a very different story. You're not imagining it. In many divorces, one spouse misrepresents income or hides assets to walk away with more than their fair share. But here's the truth. Money always leaves a trail, if you know where to look. That's where forensic accounting steps in. Red flags, how assets are hidden. At TrueScope Consulting, we specialize in uncovering these financial red flags. Some spouses suddenly loan money to friends or relatives, expecting to collect it back later. Others run personal luxuries through a business as expenses to make profits look smaller. Offshore accounts, shell companies, and mysterious money transfers to new businesses are all common tactics. Today, one of the fastest-growing hiding spots is cryptocurrency. A spouse might not list a crypto wallet in disclosures, assuming the other won't know to check. But even crypto leaves a footprint. Bank records showing transfers to exchanges, trading apps on phones, or unexplained crypto-related charges are all clues. Peer-to-peer payment apps like Cash App, Venmo, and PayPal are another tool. On the surface, they look harmless, labeled as rent or reimbursement, but they can be a way to quietly move marital funds off the radar. And then there's plain cash. Large frequent withdrawals that don't match normal spending may mean one spouse is stockpiling money. Each of these patterns, crypto stashes, payment apps, offshore transfers, or cash hoarding points to potential concealment. Our job is to spot them and follow the money. Following the money, how we uncover assets. Forensic accountants are financial detectives. Once we see a red flag, we follow the trail. Take cryptocurrency. People assume it's untraceable, but blockchain records every transaction. With advanced tracing tools, we can connect wallets, map transfers, and uncover digital assets even when someone tries to hide them. We also dig into bank statements, credit cards, tax returns, and loan applications. If money disappears from one account without reappearing elsewhere, that's a red flag. We account for every dollar, and if it vanished, we find out where it went. The investigation doesn't stop at numbers. Emails, QuickBooks files, even browsing history can reveal secret accounts or hidden businesses. And when needed, we work alongside attorneys to issue subpoenas to banks, exchanges, or payment processors, making sure no stone is left unturned. The end result is clear, credible evidence. Charts showing unexplained deposits, timelines of transfers, lifestyle analyses proving a mismatch between claimed income and actual spending. And when necessary, we stand behind our findings in court as expert witnesses. When a business is involved, sometimes the hidden asset isn't cash at all, it's a business. A spouse who controls a business may try to undervalue it by deferring income, inflating expenses, or paying ghost employees like family members. On paper, the company looks weak. In reality, it may be thriving. That's why TrueScope performs independent business valuations. We go behind the numbers, looking for inconsistencies in sales, vendor payments, and expenses. In one case, a restaurant appeared to be failing, but we discovered daily cash sales were being skimmed and vendors were prepaid for supplies never delivered. Correcting the records revealed a thriving business, and our client secured the fair value they deserved. For attorneys, this level of detail provides courtroom-ready valuations. For clients, it ensures no one can hide income or assets behind a company's books. Why attorneys and clients trust TrueScope. A forensic accountant offers more than number crunching. We provide clarity, strategy, and peace of mind. At TrueScope Consulting, we bring decades of experience in forensic accounting and fraud investigation, along with advanced tools for asset tracing, crypto analysis, and business valuation. Our work is professional, discreet, and litigation-ready. We've seen it all. Spouses hiding money in crypto, businesses disguised to look unprofitable, and funds shuffled through offshore accounts. No matter how complex, we know where to look and we know how to prove it. For divorcing individuals, that means empowerment. You don't have to take your spouse's word for it. For attorneys, it means having airtight financial evidence to strengthen your case. Hidden assets don't have to stay hidden. With the right forensic expertise, every irregularity can be investigated, every dollar traced, and every asset accounted for. If you're an attorney building a strong case, or an individual facing divorce and suspect the full picture hasn't been revealed, don't face it alone. Book a confidential consultation with TrueScope Consulting today, and let us help you uncover the truth and secure the outcome you deserve.